least that's my recommendation. So the marking should be on the top, going that way towards the arm. You see here the cable length. Those cables should go through here. What we can do now is just plug in at the moment it doesn't matter where you plug it in. Afterwards, when we are complete, we need to check the spin direction of the motor anyhow, and to change the spin direction you just pull two of those cables off and swap it, then the spin direction is changing. So let's use some zip ties, and let's do it that way that the cables are long enough here that you can easily pull them off. So move the ESC towards the motor a bit. I'm doing it that way, that I'm going so right behind the sockets. I'm going through this, and I'm doing it that way that I'm also using only the inner bar of the arm, go through the holes, because then I have it very tight on the arm. One, and here on the other side there's a capacitor on the ESC. I will do the same here, so going through this hole here, going over, and then on this side down. Oh, I have to turn around again, fix it. So they are very tight now, and that's how I'm mounting those.